Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a basic Angular JS app in your PC. So to create an app, what you have to do, you have to actually download Node.js in your PC. I mean, you have to have Node.js in your PC. So go to the CMD and open command prompt and say here node-v to check the Node.js version. I mean, if Node.js available on your PC or not. I already have this. If you don't have, just go to the node.js.org and then download this, okay? And install it in your PC. After that, what you have to say is you have to go to the drive where you actually want to create the project. So I'm going to go to this drive, and here I have a folder called all my project, and here I'm going to create the folder. I mean my Angular app, okay? So I'm going to open CMD here, command prompt, and here I'm going to say that npm install -g, okay, space add. Then I will say Angular /CLI. Hit enter. Now we'll check ng version. Yes, we have. Now we can actually create our project. So we'll say here ng new my-angular app. So this is my project name, my Angular app. And we have to say here what? ng, then new, then project name, new project, okay? And then hit enter, press Y, then hit enter. Okay, so we'll go in the CSS one, okay? Hit enter, I'll say Y and hit enter. So here you can see we have created our Angular project. We need to actually open it in a server, right? So either you can actually change the directory from here, or maybe you can remove it and you can come to the project directory. Here you can see my Angular app. So this is my project, and here the address bar you will type cmd and it will open command prompt here. Now here to run this, we have to say here that ng serve, okay? Hit enter. Node package may not be installed. Try installing with npm install. Okay, so we have to we have to say here npm install. Hit enter. Here we go. Now we'll say here ng serve. Okay. Here we go. Now we have to actually select this and hit enter to copy this. Now let's go to the browser. Here we're going to paste it and hit enter. And here you can see this is our very basic Angular JS project. Now if you want to change anything, you just have to go for the source, and here you can see index.html. Now if you edit this, let's just go with Notepad. And if you go for the body, and if you say here that remove it, let's just go for the browser once again. Here you can see it's automatically refreshed, right, with the text. So we have successfully created our very basic Angular JS project in our PC. This is really simple. I hope this video helps you. If so, please make sure to give a like and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.